I do find immigration applications too complicated. From somebody who has had to go through them myself, even though I'm of a certain privilege as an EU citizen, I have found them not only complicated in terms of you are being asked to fulfill a set of conditions that citizens don't have to fulfill, which already puts you, like whether you want it or not, regardless of your privilege, into like a subordinate or like a lower degree of privilege, because you need to justify your existence, your contribution to a certain community, which other people don't have to. So that's like what's difficult about it on an emotional level, when you're feeling it out, thinking that you are being made lesser than, but also, yeah, being like having access to these documents can sometimes be difficult. For example, I myself and other people that I know have been stuck in loops of trying to find a way to prove your address for immigration purposes, but the ways in which you can prove your address require for you to prove your address in the first place. So it's kind of like a snake that bites its own tail, because you cannot get proof of address unless somebody else has given it to you before, which would also require that original form of proof. So yeah, it's kind of like a challenging circle, but that's another aspect to consider for sure. And the other way in which I find it complicated is that if you have any intersecting vulnerabilities, such as a disability or neurodivergence, which is my case, filling out these applications can be very, very challenging, since you're not really being offered support from the government to fill this out or make it easier in any way.